How to reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger. Reset PIN means creating a new PIN to lock your secret chats again after you've forgotten the old one. So, to reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Under Security section, you'll see End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap to open it. Then tap on Message Storage. Under Security Methods, you'll find the option to Reset PIN. Tap on it to reset your PIN code. Now you'll be prompted to create a new PIN. Enter your new PIN twice to confirm. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger. Remember to choose a PIN you can remember easily, but avoid using birthdays or simple sequences. And this is how to reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger. If you have any questions about resetting end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.